for a bear hunt. I didn't want to do it, but Donnie made us go out in the gale warning. So here we are.
After that, shrimping was easy.
They ain't gonna go in there, I'm telling you. Do the best you can. It's a very nice bear.
Oh my God.
Donnie. Man.
Oh, sweet.
Donnie, yes.
Dude, I'm telling you, that's a good bear. Did you see how big his head was?
Oh,
And how wide he was when he was facing
very
us?
big.
Never saw him.
Shanna, I'd swear.
A lot of work.
We have worked and worked and worked and looked and rode and burned fuel
I smell bear.
and glassed. Now Shannon gets to kill one.
And you know what? I think I know where to go find it.
I think we do too.
Look in the snow.
Holy shit.
Look in the snow. I see a ton of blood on the side of that tree. Where's